Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Jasmy video update. Now I actually exited out of Jasmy the last time, pretty quickly. Took my profits up here when it came down here, came down for the retracement and actually bounced off that area. Now it does actually look good to still continue up to the 14 level because that's the technical target that is there. And if you watched yesterday's video, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. So let's dive into the daily right now. And on the daily, you're about to print a 3 white soldiers. So if you end up closing, if today's candlestick closes like green, above this level 12, I'm going to tell you 0.012008, if you close above this level or at least above 12,100, then that will be amazing price candlestick pattern, which is a continuation pattern to actually go to the upside. Now nonetheless, I don't know how it goes there. Maybe it can come down like this, go up, come down like this, do a sideways movement until it doesn't reach the target. It can actually just shoot up to the target. You never know. But the thing is that target is something that is pending, and it's something that I'm looking forward to in the next coming few days or few hours. Potentially could be today, could be tomorrow, but I do expect it to happen within 2-3 days and reach that technical target to the upside. And that's pretty much it for Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.